Hey guys, this is Taylor from Riot Contests. I'm going to teach you how to make a sign that looks something like this on Adobe Photoshop CS3. First what you want to do is you want to take the picture and the color palette that you want to use. And first things first, over where it says background and there's a little lock, you want to double click that, and when the new layer tab comes up, you just press OK. Now what you want to do is you want to take your polygon lasso tool and outline the thing that you want to add color to, like I am doing right now. Okay, so now what you want to do is, after you've outlined what you want to outline, you're going to take a color from your color palette, and then you're going to take the paint bucket tool, and you're going to make a new layer, and then you're going to use the paint bucket tool and just use it where you want the color. Now, this may look retarded at first, but you're just going to take the polygon lasso tool again and just outline where you want color. And you can add gradients and colors wherever you want to. Okay, so now that you've got the color, or all the colors where you want them, you're going to go to the little blending mode drop-down menu, and you're gonna change the thing to color so that it looks really cool. And then we're gonna start using brushes. I'm just gonna use these swirly brushes first. Then you're gonna put the brushes where you want them to be, and if you have a brush like mine that would only look right going like from one side, you can go to Image, Rotate Canvas, and flip your canvas horizontal, and just put the brushes on like that. Just take the colors and add whatever brushes you want. Okay, so now that you've added the brushes where you want it, and it looks good, as you can see, there are some brushes overlapping my person. If it's like that with yours, you just want to take the eraser brush, or the eraser, and just go over where you don't want there to be brushes. Yeah, that's all. Okay, so now you want to make a new layer, and you're going to take the paintbrush tool, and I'm going to make some dripping paint brushes on it, and just place the paint brushes where you want them to be until you have them as you like them. Okay, now that you've added the dripping brushes, you just want to erase where they overlap the person in your sign. And now if you want them to be textured, like the ones right there, you're going to click the layer that has the dripping paintbrushes. Darn it. And then you're going to go to Pattern Overlay, and you're going to pick the pattern that you want and make the opacity however you want it. Then you can just mess with the drop shadow and everything. Now you can add text. A person asked me to show them how to make text, so while I'm at it, I'm just going to add text real quick. Okay, so pick the text that you want and the size, and you're just going to make it like a text box. And I'm going to make this big, and I'm going to put the name of my site, which is Riot Contest, and just gonna highlight it and make it bigger, however big you want. I'm gonna place it how I want it to be placed, and then I'm going to make the colors like each a different color by using my palette and eyedropper tool. So you just do it like this. Okay, now since it's hard to see, I'm going to right click on the layer that has my text and go to blending options, and then I'm going to stroke it, and then go to pattern and change the pattern to this stripey thing. Then I'm going to add a drop shadow, and you can add textures, I usually do. And since I still don't think it looks right, I'm just going to make it, not letting me make it bold. So instead I'm just going to change the font to something a little more bold, like that. And then, yeah, that's your sign with text.